Maggie, any tips on making your promise? What do you mean? Expand a little bit on that one, Maggie. So I'm not sure what you mean.
A few moments later.
Maggie's asking it as a young person being invested. So, okay, so it's nothing to be scary about. And I think, well, I do know that leaders do it in all different ways. If, even in my group, we have some new leaders that have started. And when I step back and let them invest their scouts, they do it differently than when I do it. And if you go to another group, even in your district, they'll do it differently. And if you go into the county, they'll do it differently. And then if you go into a country, from country to country, guess what? It'll be different. But it's nothing scary. It's nothing to be worried about or anything. The main thing is just being open and honest that you'll be the best scout that you can be. Hold the flag with your left hand. See, I've done my finger. My finger never goes up. So you hold the flag in the left hand. Have I got something that can represent the flag? Here we go. We'll use the stave. So I get mine to do that. And then you just repeat what the leader says on my honor. I promise to do my best, to do my duty to God and to the king, to help other people, and to keep the scout law. But you're just agreeing to do it, and then you get handed your badges and your lovely necker. And that's it. A really quick ceremony that just takes a couple of minutes. Just promise to do your best and to keep the scout law every single day. That's it. It's just really, really simple. And like I say, people do it in all different ways. Some have a bit of in-house jokes. Once you've made your promise, I make you turn to the rest of the scout patrol and the troop, give the salute back, and then we give you a seal of approval. A seal of approval has been an in-joke for all my time here at my scout group. And the scouts make it's hard doing it like here. They make a thing, ow, 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 ow. Get it? A seal of approval. And then we give a big hand. That's it. It's just a little tradition that we do here in my group. And as people are saying here, people do it in all different places. And I did a vlog about this because I live and I scout in London. I did a vlog about interesting places that you can get invested in scouts in London. And I know people do it, I've seen it when they've been scuba diving or they've been doing high ropes or something like that. So it's about making it a fun event. We invested 4 scouts at the last winter camp in February, freezing around the campfire. It was lovely. It was really super cool. It was their first time on camp, and I thought, you know what, this is the time to make it really cool and invest them while on camp. Ian saying, make it as memorable as possible. Upper climbing frame, ninja warrior, climbing tower. Exactly. Depends what your scout leader's up to. Like tonight, we could go to the park and invest you around the big old oak tree or something. Rather than just being in the scout hall. But sometimes that's the only place. Maybe you're getting invested during the winter and it's cold, it's raining, and your scout leader wants to get invested and there's nothing coming up, so they'll invest you at the scout hall. But trying to make it in a fun way, in a different way.